Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a Ram 1500 V6. First, gather your new oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your engine is slightly warm. This helps the old oil flow out more easily. Always park your truck on a flat, stable surface and set the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change. Now let's get to draining the old oil. Place your drain pan directly under the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While it's draining, check your drain plug gasket. A fresh one prevents leaks.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're crawling under your truck. Go darn tough, they even have a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, usually near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Once the old oil has fully drained, reinsert the drain plug, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened. Now, open the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Using a funnel, slowly pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil. For a Ram 1500 V6, this is typically around 7 quarts. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick to confirm the oil level is correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.